Dad, what we're gonna do?
I don't know. I'm only counting on God right now.
All right, Dad, don't worry about it, okay? I'm gonna go to the corner store, okay?
All right.
All right.
Where's Cassie?
She went to the store.
Hello?
Hello, Jay.
Who this?
Curtis, man.
How'd you get this number, man?
What? Yo, homeboy just hung up on me, man.
You see? We gotta do what we gotta do, man.
Yeah, I guess that's the only way homeboy will come through, man. Yo, B.
Hello?
Hey, yo, listen. You better listen good. If you ever want to see a sister again, you better go meet Schumann at this spot
Is Cassie ever come back?
in less than 25 minutes. So we can
Are
make
you
this
okay,
happen.
son?
And make sure the police is not involved. Otherwise, she died. You don't want the same thing that happened to your mama happen to your sister, don't you?
What you want me to do?
Just be there.
Lord, we've been on this road before.
She in there.
But if this is a test, I already failed. So help me God.
Yo, just go meet him on the Crossray Bridge. I already called him. He should be there.
Did the boy accept the deal, you know?
Just go, man, go.
Get the head out of here.
You think Junior will be there?
He gotta be there, man. We got his sister.
Gotta get my money, son. So I ain't playing no games with y'all. Get you and all your cliques. Get dog. Dog, you lucky somebody on my line, bruh. Yo, hit me back up when you get my stuff. Junior, what's up, man?
Yo, no time to explain. I need some fire tonight.
Thought you left that life, man.
It's a family matter. You come through or not?
I got you, bruh. For real. Alright. Bless. Damn.
Don't move. Don't move. Put him down. Put it down. Put it down right now. Cassie. Cassie. You okay?
Please don't shoot. Please don't shoot me, man.
Cover, got you covered.
Curtis, come out, man. Just give it up, man. This should have never end up like this. No means no, bruh.
You I got this, man.
Drop your weapon. Drop your weapon now. Stay back, Curtis. Stay back.
All we need is for you to join the crew back, son. It's not gonna go down like this, man. You I got him. Just give me a chance. I'll take him down right now.
Listen to me, put the gun down.
Done told y'all I don't want to be part of it.
Just drop
Just want
it,
to take my
man.
sister and leave, bruh. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it,
Drop
man.
it, man.
Back up. Back up.
Come here.
What's up, Pop?
I called the bank this morning. Guess what?
What happened?
They don't know anything about the package. Yep. That's what they said. I told you, God will provide. What I told you.
God will take care
Yep.
of it.
Alright, son. I have a job interview tomorrow morning.
I called my sister from the bank the other day, man. And guess what? She told me Junior father haven't making mortgage payment for like months. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? All right then. Let me call my sister. But if this don't work, we gotta try something else, man. Junior is the only choice we got, man. All right, later, man.
You're my partner. I just want to do the same for you, man.
Keep it up, man. That's nice.
All right, forget you then. Yo, just go with the plan now.
Can I have you?
Are you Mr. Lewis?
Yeah.
Would you please sign this for me?
You deliver the paper? Alright. Curtis, man.
How'd you get this number, man?
What? Yo, homeboy just hung up on me, man.
You see? We gotta do what we gotta do, man.
Yeah, I guess that's the only way homeboy will come through, man. Yo, B. Let's just go with the second plan now. Alright?
Hey, yo, listen. You better listen good. Did you ever want to see your sister again?
Damn. All I wanted to do is save the house. Kind of find out this was a setup the whole time. What am I gonna do now when they come for the money? No matter what, it's going to be war in my family. And I won't let him down.